So last time, in the last class, we have discussed about this. What is the meaning of flat file source? What is the meaning of OLDB destination? So,
Yes.
okay, clear? So let's start. Okay. So I'm going to create, our target is we need to transfer the data that is available in the Notepad and dump into the SQL Server. True, guys?
Yes, but
Okay.
I still have problem that loading kind of thing. I restarted the computer several times, but it's saying it's still same.
Okay. Do one thing. Can you right click on the SSIS package folder? Go up, one more up. Yes. Right click. New SSIS package. Okay. And click on the package one. Okay. It's already created. Oh. Okay. Do one thing. Can you close this one? Let's see the repair mode. Close everything. Close the Visual Studio. Search Visual Studio. Installer. Okay. And now there is an update. Yes. Click on the update, please. Allow yes. Okay. Launch. Okay. Click on the SQL one. Yes. Click on. Close the toolbox. Okay. Click on the view menu in the top. View. Okay. Okay. Now open the toolbox. The next one. Yes. Click. Okay. So now we have one last option. Okay. We can uninstall and install the extension. Okay. So click on the extension menu in the top. But say weird. I never faced this type of problem. Extension menu in the top. How many people facing the same problem, guys?
I do.
I have to
Three.
share my screen too, yeah.
No. I'm asking how many. No, don't need to share. How many people facing the same problem? SSIS toolbox is not loading. Only 3 or 4
Mine
people.
is open.
Okay. Manage extension. Click. Search IND. Okay. Please, everyone, those who are facing the problem, go with this screen. First of all, everyone. Okay, let me know. And this is for only the people, those who are facing the problem. Rest everyone don't do these things. Okay.
So, sir, need to update or no?
No, don't update because update is not working. Okay. This is for the people, those who are not able to see the loading. Or this is the people, those who are not able to see the toolbox options.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Now do one thing. Okay. Did you see this message? Your changes are scheduled. The modification will begin when the Microsoft Visual Studio is closed.
So we have to close them.
Yeah. Just wait. Just wait. Okay. Everyone
Oh,
able to see this message?
Mm.
all
Okay.
right,
So
here.
close the Visual Studio.
Okay.
Dilipji, what about you? You are
Yeah,
in the same screen like
yeah,
this?
yes.
Okay. And I think one more person, huh?
Yeah, I'm also on the same page.
Okay. Perfect.
Successfully applied. Please close and restart all the target application instances for change to make effect. So do I need to restart the computer?
Yes. Please restart and rejoin, no?
Okay. Okay. Then I have to
Then we can.
install that
Yes.
again from
Yes.
very
Yes.
beginning. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Now go back to your download folder. I think you already have the software, no? That we
Yeah.
need to install. Yeah. The yellow one. Up. This one. Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Community version.
Install. Yes. Right version. Install it.
Oh.
No, you don't need to close this one. That is taking it. Close it. No worry. Go back to again. Click on the start menu. Sorry. Yes. Download.
Download. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Next. Install.
Mhm.
Just wait. No? I think it's
Okay.
the background. Okay. Dilipji, what about you?
Yes, still running.
Okay. Swastika ji, what about you?
Like I'm on the same page now, Rajesh, so I'm restarting my PC.
Okay. No worry.
Yeah. I'm right here. Oh, sorry. Let me still
Right click on the SSIS and the incompatible one. Select the
right
right.
here.
Yes. Select that.
Uh-huh.
Reload the project with dependency. The second option from the top.
Yeah, dependency. Mm-hmm. And
Okay.
then
Click on the SSIS package.
this one, our
Yes.
SSIS package.
No, SSIS package. Package.dtsx.
Yeah. Package. Yeah.
The
Below.
below one,
Go
the
down.
below one.
Oh, this one.
Yes, that double click
Okay.
and open the toolbar.
Oh yeah, I got it. Toolbox is
Perfect.
open now.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.